tremendous traffic jam that took place at Konkani at the Christmas Eve during the festive season was such a painstaking situation to every Goan, a tourist who wanted to enjoy. All this because of this government's insensitivity to the Goan and the tourists coming to Goa during the festive season. I say this because the bridge was ready, whatever part of that is supposed to be inaugurated just before Christmas. But because the union minister was not available, the whole thing has been postponed to 29th at the cost of the suffering of the people. Is this bridge that is made and spent of our taxpayers' money meant only if a VVIP is there to inaugurate? If not, the people will continue to suffer. This government, at the center, the Prime Minister shouts that we should wipe out VIP culture. And here, is this VIP culture or is this chamchagiri to the higher bosses by this government, the local government? This government should apologize publicly for this great disaster created when everything was there for having a smooth traffic.